Hi, today I am going to show you how to bookmark a page in Nova and how to check on the status of your program area report. So first I'm going to log into Nova. And you'll see when I land on the opening page, I don't have anything here because I don't have anything bookmarked. So I'm going to go ahead and find our Marin Consortium page. I click on Programs, then on CAPE, then on Consortia and Members, and I'm going to type 29 in here to find the Marin Consortium. Once I'm on this page, I'm going to bookmark it. Now, every time I open Nova, it will open with this consortium right there for me to click on it. Now, I want to look at the program area reporting. The one that is due on December 1st is from the 21-22 school year. So first I'm going to choose our consortium by putting in 29. Then I'm going to click on the 21-22 school year. Then I will click on our consortium. And here is the status of all of our agency submissions for the program area report. And you can see in this column right here, that every agency has submitted their program area report. And that's it. Thank you so much.